Hey girl, hey! It's me, Lindsay Lohan, and I'm here to tell you about not Twilight, but New Moon. And, okay, well, my friend Kristen Stewart is here, and I think I hear her knocking. Oh yeah, come on in, Kristen! Come on, come on, it's okay, don't be shy!
Hey, Lindsay!
Hey, so, would you like to be called Kristen or Bella?
Well, all my fans like to call me Bella because, you know, I'm Bella Swan. But my real name on my birth certificate, believe it or not, is actually Kristen Stewart.
Alright.
I think that is so funny because, you know, my last name...
Yeah, so, anyway, New Moon. So, tell me, Kristen, are you on Team Edward or Team Jacob?
Well, you know how I'm dating, like, Robert and all? Robert Pattinson, he plays Edward Cullen,
so
you know,
yummy.
like the really hot vampire. Well, like, don't tell him this, and I know I'm on national TV right now, but I'm Team Jacob.
Seriously?
Yeah, like, oh my god, I don't even know, it's so complicated.
Oh.
Yeah.
So yeah, everybody, the new movie comes out November 20th. Make sure to go watch it.
Yeah, and come watch it.
She's a freak.
Bye. Ow!